functions. If you want to calculate the average highest and lowest sale of computer, total parts sold by different persons from the range G5 is to G14, you can use the functions like average, max and min. All functions begin with an equal to sign and include the arguments in parentheses after the function name. For example, in the function is equal to average, parenthesis, G5 is to G14. The function name is average and the argument is the range G5 to G14. Determining the average of range of numbers. The average function sums the numbers within the specified range and then divides the sum by the total number of non-zero cells in that range. 1. Select the cell where you want the average, G16. 2. Type is equal to average in that cell. 3. Click on the first cell, G5, the first endpoint of the range to average. 4. Drag through the last cell, G14, the second endpoint of the range to average. A marquee surrounds the range G5 is to G14. When you click cell G5, Excel appends cell G5 to the left parenthesis in the formula bar and surrounds cell G5 with a marquee. When you begin dragging, Excel appends to the argument with a colon and the cell reference of the cell where the mouse pointer is located. 5. Click on Enter key from the keyboard. Excel computes the average of 10 numbers in the range G5 to G14 and displays the result, 1510 in cell G16. Thus, the average total sale of all the devices is 1510. Formula bar shows the average formula. Determining highest number using insert function box. Max function in Excel is used to display the highest value in a range. You can enter max function using the keyboard and point mode as described in the previous steps. An alternative method to enter the function is by using the insert function box on the formula bar or formula tab as shown in the following steps. 1. Select the cell where you want to enter the highest number, G17. 2. Click on Insert Function button from the Formula tab. 3. When the Insert Function dialog box displays, click on Max Function in the Select a Function box. 4. Click on OK button. The function arguments dialog box will be displayed. 5. When the function arguments dialog box is displayed, type the range of numbers G5 to G14 in the number 1 box as shown in the screen slot. The function arguments dialog box displays the range G5 to G14 as entered in the number 1 box. The complete max function is displayed in the formula bar and the result is displayed in the cell G17. 6. Click on OK button. Excel determines the highest value in the range G5 to G14, which is 1900. Value in the cell G5 and G8 and is displayed in the cell G17. Formula bar shows the formula. Determining the lowest number using AutoSum menu. Min function in Excel is used to display the lowest value in a range. Now you can calculate the min function and store it in cell G18 so as to determine the lowest number in the range G5 to G14. You can enter the min function using either of the methods used to determine the average and max functions. 1. Select the cell where you want to display the lowest number G18. 2. Click on Formula tab. 3. Click on the down arrow of AutoSum button. The AutoSum menu is displayed. 4. Click on Min button in the AutoSum menu. AutoSum immediately attempts to use the function to the adjacent cells. 5. If you want another range of cells, instead of AutoSum's attempt, click on the first cell G5 and then drag through the last cell G14. The function in the formula bar and in cell G18 displays the new range G5 to G14. 6. Click on Enter button. Excel determines the lowest value in the range G5